Guys, today we have a 2015 Toyota Sequoia with a long crank in the morning. It takes forever to start up sometimes. And we brought this car in. Wanted to make a video. This is actually a very common issue on these. Happens to almost all of them. Let's see if it'll do it now. So I caught this time. Now it's starting up. But typically, when you start it up in the morning, what it does is it cranks for maybe about 10 to 15 seconds, and sometimes doesn't start. You have to turn the key back off, start it, and that's when it'll actually catch. So I got the scanner hooked up. We scanned the car for codes. There's a p1604. I had never come across something like this on a Toyota, so I looked at the service manual to see what the code means, and I actually found the TSV for the car. So what happens on these cars for this issue, what you have to do is you have to replace the fuel pump in the back, and you have to reprogram the PCM to the latest calibration. Now, before you do any of that, you have to check typically here or somewhere up here, Toyota will have put a sticker, because it's such a common issue. When Toyota does the work, they put a sticker indicating that the work has been done, PCM calibration. It looks similar to this, but it basically says that whatever problem it had has been done. So this one doesn't have it. It hasn't been done. And one way to verify this is your problem is you turn the ignition on. If you have a scanner, you can look at some live data. You go to live data. And typically, if your fuel trims are high negative, let's see where they are. Look at mine. This is one way to verify. They're negative 23% on bank 1, negative 25% on bank 2. So that's confirmation. And then you gotta look at your alcohol concentration, because this car is a flex fuel. It's at 83%. So what this update does, it fixes the way the system estimates the alcohol concentration in the fuel, which will also get rid of your fuel trim issues. So yeah, once you get that done, you replace the fuel pump, you update the PCM, and you're all good to go after that. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.